In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm and tranquility in our living spaces is more important than ever. So, how do we accomplish this? One effective way is through the power of color. Welcome to the fascinating world of color psychology, a field that explores how hues can influence our emotions, moods, and behaviors. Imagine stepping into a room painted in soothing shades of blue. This color, known for its calming properties, can instantly help you unwind, making it a stellar choice for bedrooms and living rooms. Just by surrounding ourselves with this tranquil hue, we can reduce stress and promote a serene atmosphere. On the other hand, we have the color green, synonymous with nature and growth. Walking into a green-toned space, you might feel a sense of balance and harmony, as if you're connected to the outdoors. This makes green an excellent option for home offices or reading nooks, where tranquility and focus are key. Now, let's talk about yellow, the color of sunshine. This cheerful hue can brighten up any room, infusing it with warmth and optimism. Yellow is perfect for spaces where you want to foster creativity and energy, like kitchens and home gyms. Lastly, let's not forget the role of neutral colors. Shades like white, beige, and gray provide a versatile backdrop for more vibrant accent colors. They create an atmosphere of simplicity and sophistication, allowing colorful elements to pop without overwhelming the space. By understanding the psychological effects of these colors, we can strategically use them to create our desired ambiance. Whether it's a calming blue for relaxation, a balancing green for focus, a cheerful yellow for energy, or a sophisticated neutral for versatility, the power of color psychology is undeniable. So, what's the takeaway? Colors have the power to influence our emotions, moods, and behaviors, making them a powerful tool for creating ambiance in our homes. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll discover how to harness this power to transform our living spaces into havens of calm and tranquility. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll explore how to craft a vibrant color palette for organized living. Now that we've explored the psychological effects of different colors, it's time to discuss how to create a vibrant color palette for organized living. The first step in our color journey is choosing a dominant color. This color will serve as the foundation of your palette, setting the overall mood of your space. Whether it's a calming shade of blue for relaxation, a revitalizing green for balance, or a warm neutral tone like beige or taupe for sophistication, your dominant color is the canvas upon which the rest of your palette will unfold. Next, let's add some depth and interest with complementary colors. These are colors that, when used together, enhance each other's brightness and create a harmonious contrast. They could be shades from the same color family, or contrasting hues that add a touch of surprise and excitement to your space. Think a deep navy blue complemented by a soft pastel pink, or a bold emerald green paired with a sunny yellow. Now, it's crucial to strike a balance between warm and cool tones to create a harmonious color scheme. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can add energy and vibrancy to your space, while cool colors like blues and greens evoke a sense of calm and tranquility. The interplay between these warm and cool tones will add a dynamic dimension to your space, making it feel alive yet peaceful. Accent colors are the cherry on top of your vibrant color palette. Use them sparingly to highlight key features or create focal points in your space. These could be in the form of colorful throw pillows, striking artwork, vibrant rugs, or decorative accessories that complement your overall color palette. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and finishes to further enhance the visual interest of your color palette. Whether it's a textured fabric on your sofa, shiny metallic accents on your coffee table, or natural materials like wood and stone in your decor, these elements can add depth and dimension to your space, making your color palette truly come alive. Strike a balance between warm and cool tones to create a harmonious color scheme. And remember, crafting a vibrant color palette is an art, not a science. Feel free to bend the rules and let your creativity shine through. After all, it's your space, and it should reflect your unique style and personality. Now that you have a vibrant color palette in mind, it's time to put it into action and transform your living space into a haven of organized living and calm. Once you've chosen your dominant and complementary colors, start implementing them into your home. Begin with the walls, the largest surface area. Painting is a simple and cost-effective way to make a significant impact. If you're not ready for such a commitment, consider temporary solutions like removable wallpaper or wall decals in your chosen colors. Next, turn your attention to the furniture. You could reupholster a favorite chair in a fabric that matches your color scheme, or invest in new pieces that align with your palette. Don't overlook smaller furniture items like side tables or bookcases, which can be painted or stained to match your colors. Now let's talk about textiles. These are great for introducing your accent colors. Think vibrant throw pillows, lush area rugs, or cozy blankets in your chosen hues. They not only add color but also contribute to the overall comfort and warmth of the space. Lighting also plays a crucial role in showcasing your color palette. Warm, soft lighting can enhance warm tones and create a cozy atmosphere, while brighter, cooler lighting can make cool tones pop and energize a space. Don't forget about the smaller details too. Everyday items like dishes, books, or even your favorite plants can serve as color accents. Display these items on open shelves or in glass front cabinets to let your color palette shine. Finally, remember to play with texture and finishes. They add depth and interest to your color palette. For example, a velvet sofa in a deep shade of blue creates a rich, luxurious feel, while a shiny metallic accent table in gold adds a touch of glam to a neutral room. As you implement your color palette, keep in mind that balance is key. Too much of one color can be overwhelming, while too little may make your palette feel disjointed. Aim for a harmonious mix that feels right to you. Incorporate elements like textured fabrics, metallic accents, or natural materials to add depth and dimension to the space. And remember, this is your space. Enjoy the process of making it uniquely yours. But before we continue, I'd love to hear your thoughts. We've taken quite a journey together today, delving into the world of color psychology and exploring how vibrant hues can transform our living spaces into tranquil havens. But as we all know, color is a deeply personal thing. What soothes one person may energize another, and vice versa. So let's take a moment to reflect on our own color preferences. Perhaps you're someone who finds peace in a sea of soft blues, reflecting the sky on a clear day, or the gentle lapping waves on a summer's afternoon. Or maybe you're drawn to the invigorating freshness of greens, reminiscent of a lush forest or a serene meadow. On the other hand, you might be someone who finds comfort in the warmth of earthy tones, grounding you, connecting you with nature, and making you feel at home. Or perhaps the cheerful vibrancy of yellows brings a smile to your face and fills your heart with joy. What colors make you feel most at ease in your own home? Do you have a favorite calming color that you've incorporated into your decor? Or perhaps you're planning a color transformation and have some ideas you're excited about. Don't hesitate to drop a line or two in the comments section. Let's inspire and learn from each other, creating spaces that are not just beautiful, but also resonate with our individual tastes and personalities. There's a lot more content coming your way, packed with tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you design a home that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also a true reflection of you. What colors do you find most calming and soothing in your home? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on creating a harmonious and tranquil living environment.